Hi everyone. I want you to look at what I got the other day. We went up to a town that has a new little store in it. And I think it's right next to the Advance or something like that. Or near Hardee's and McDonald's or something. That's who it is. Tamterra, I think is how it said, Tamterra. Yeah. She had these stones, and I was quite taken with that. I like the dendrites down through here. So, I got it, and I got this one with the little dendrites in it. Not sure what it is, but probably an agate or something. This one looks agatized. See the little agate stripes on it? And the little druzy pocket here. And then it's got the live edge on it. And then this one, I am not sure what it is. I'm thinking fossilized dinosaur duty. Or some kind of jasper. But I'm not sure. So, I don't know what kind of agate that is, but it's agatized. I like these. And I want to do them in a silver. So, I am going to save these. Save these three. I don't know if I'm going to do that one first or this one first. I think I'm going to do this one. But that's where I got it from. I don't know. Tamterra. Yeah, she had a real nice little store. If I can get back up there and look around a little bit more, since I know where the cabs are now at the store, I can just go straight to them. And I did do a walk through and look around and saw that she had a lot of nice stuff, and she makes her own jewelry too. So I am going to cut some wire for this, and we're going to do this one. And I'll be back.